Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, got the divergence up here. Bigger drop, could not hold the rotation zone, and then dropped through to 12.5% pullback. So, we're getting the bigger recovery. Updated all the levels now based off this bigger pullback. Rotation zone against us on the 4-hour, or against Bitcoin. It's not against us. So in any rally, first level key resistance is about 10,050 to 10,155. Those are all your two levels. It's not as full bullish mode because you have the 4-hour against us, but the daily and weekly are still in the favor for bullish mode. So it's now moderately bullish, not majorly bullish. You can always do your projections down. Next area we're watching for a key support is right around this 97.33 to 97.50 is support legend here and right in here. Then if we drop below that, we'd be watching all the way back to 94.88, so 9,500. Take a look at the daily, because when you get pullbacks like this, it's better to keep it in perspective. And you can see the daily divergence, and we're going to get the key close below that, and this is coming on some volume. Major support on the dailies about 96.50, so you can watch that. That's the bottom of the rotation zone. If it does close below that, then we'll start getting a little more cautious, 94.88, and then the next major level is all the way back at 89.81. Now, we've pulled back in the daily rotation zone, so we're going to watch to see if we get a nice strong rotation back up. We've updated all the levels, so it's 10,500, 10,785, then we have a major cluster about 11,000 to 11,071, then 11,513 are all to the upside. As I said, we did get that divergence, and it's going to confirm today, and it was getting a little overdone, so this is a nice healthy pullback as long as it stays above the daily rotation zone. Switching over to Ethereum, also getting the pullback there in Ethereum. So this is a 4-hour chart. Ran up, could not get to our next major level. We had 293, 288, and then we had this, it did form this bigger picture divergence. So you see RSI, lower RSI here, higher price here. Can now update these levels because we're getting the bigger pullback. Closing below the rotation zone, but recovering back above the 12.5% pullback. So key support right here, if you look over here to the left a little, key support coming in about 261. If we drop below 261, we'll start watching for 249 to 246 area. On a rally, first level resistance now, it's coming about 283. Then we watch for the most recent high, 288, 305, 321. Let's switch over to that daily chart though. Daily chart coming in now, so you can see, remember yesterday talked about getting overextended, not even pulled back to daily rotation zone. So first key support on the daily is 252. If we drop below that, we have that 245 level, but major support coming in at 224. So with this pullback, if we get pullback, it'd be healthier if it did pull back to the rotation zone, and then we got a nice rotation back up. Not as much volume as on Bitcoin. Let's see where we're sitting here, though. So we're just going to watch to see what happens if this pulls back even more. Right now, 95.1, we still might have, nope, there's not a potential divergence here. We've got higher than this peak, so no potential divergence there on the daily. So we're just going to be watching for the healthy pullback and a nice rotation back up. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.